So I've just entered this trade on Euro USD, either a very good trade or a bad trade. What a lovely day. If we go on to this position that I have entered, what is my buttons for this? I've just got a new MacBook and I have no clue how to use it, as like I have always used a Windows PC. H4, what I'm expecting is bearish price action. We have had a buy side liquidity sweep here that put in a new bearish leg. Expansion higher into IRL, swept buy side liquidity here. After we sweep buy side liquidity, what I usually expect is an external sweep or an external target. So the overall liquidity target is the next H4 swing low following expectational bearish order flow. Or we could just go run the highs and take a new high, put in a new bullish leg. That's the probabilities of trading. For today's trade, markets look really quite messy, but does messy mean bad? Not really. So we've swept the high of day during Asia, set relatively equal highs. I know relatively equal highs, they are a higher chance to get taken. If we're following expectational bearish order flow, we are going to continue bearish, so there's no point in dwelling on any buy side liquidity, because as you can see, there are shit tons of trend line buy side liquidity available for price to take. We have relatively equal lows here as well, which we can target. For a continuation though, I took my fib from the high of the Asia high of day, expansion lower, entered on my fib level here, my more refined, that would give me a 2R target for targeting here, or 2.3R, but I got a bad fill to 6.1 there, so it's a 2R in total. I have sized down though, I'm only risking 250 or 0.5% on this position, just with how price is actually laid out. So yeah, that is my position, and we are just going to see how it plays out. Big plans today. I am going into Edinburgh. I really fancy trying out a new coffee shop that I heard of and a little cafe. I think I'm going to make it a regular thing since I am full-time currency trader now. I have so much time on my hands. I'm finding myself really quite bored. I've recently just came back from Malta. I did in fact record and I transferred everything onto my other laptop to edit. Obviously, I do not have that other laptop anymore. The battery cut out. I cannot use it, so I had to upgrade to a MacBook. So that's why there is no Malta vlog for you to watch, like I said in my last video. TP hit for this trade. I just took a 2R take profit at this low of the M15 leg, so quite happy with that. Nice little trade.